So you can see that I have a form right here, and let's say I want to go ahead and see out all of the responses that people have made in my form. So to do that, you can simply go to the form, click on the edit button, and then click on view all responses, and it'll open up the page where you can actually see your responses right here. So you can see that this is what you have. Apart from that, what you can also do is, let's say for example, in the Strikingly homepage, you can actually go around over here onto, let's say, the audience section, and then here you can see the forms right here, and then you'll be able to see the form right here. So you can see that there's a visitor right here, and then you can see the message and everything, like whatever they have filled out in the form, you will be able to see right here. As you click on it, you can see that this is what you have. These are the form messages. You can see that there's two messages right here. You can even track orders right here. If you have enabled out a store, you will see the order here. But in messages, you can see that you get like two of these right here. You can see that the form name is Be in Touch. There's the name, email, phone, and message. Similarly, there's the second name, email, phone, and message right here, just like this. You can actually go around over here and let's say for example, type in, let's say for example, thank you for filling the form. We will get back to you soon right here, just like this. You can go ahead and then choose this and send, let's say for example, from send an email to those let's say users as well. So you can go ahead and send it out. You can see more actions, so you can mark them as unread right here, just like this, or you can go ahead right here, mark them as spam, mark them as unread right here if you want to if you feel like they are spam, or you just want to mark it as unread, so you want to see it again, and click on it again right here to read it out. So there you can go ahead and delete this out as well, and even go ahead and edit out the info right here. For example, you can go ahead and change this out right here, just like this, and the detail will be changed for those particular forms. So you can go around over here, edit out the info right here. You can go ahead and change out, let's say for example, name right here, just like this, and those details will be updated out as well. So this is basically what you have, and this is how you can view the form responses as needed inside of Strikingly. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.